Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics Pre-Market Index Analysis on day before weekly expiry. Let's come to the point. Nifty sustained in between 11,250 to 11,350. So now as per my observation in the present scenario of Nifty is if it breaks 11,350 with support of 11,250, maybe its next resistance is 11,380. Otherwise, if Nifty breaks and sustain above 11,350, then it will try for 11,500 to 11,700 zone with shift it base support in between 11,250 to 11,350. Otherwise, maybe it will continue to stabilize in between 11,000 to 11,250. Let's come to the Nifty chart. Nifty sustained in between 11,250 to 11,350. So as per chart formation, if Nifty comes down below 11,300, maybe it will try to reverse from 11,200 to 11,250. Otherwise, with support of 11,250 to 11,350, it will try for 11,500 to 11,700 zone once. Let's come to the Bank Nifty. Finally, Bank Nifty breaks 22,000, which is its major resistance zone, and closed above 22,000. So for now, if Bank Nifty breaks upper level of 22,000 to 22,500 zone, then it may try for 23,000 plus. Else, if it slips below 21,800, it may maintain a range bound move between 21,200 to 21,800 again. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. So finally, Bank Nifty breaks 21,500 to 22,000 support zone and closed above 22,000. So for now, as per chart formation, 22,200 to 22,500 is present range bound zone for Bank Nifty. If it breaks 22,500, maybe it will try for 23,000 plus with support of 21,800 to 22,200. As per my exploration, there have some trading opportunity for index future, that's are for Nifty future. There have a major resistance for Nifty future, that 11,560. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 11,420 and 11,500. There have a major support for Nifty future, that 11,200. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 11,289 and 11,246. Same as for Bank Nifty future, there have a major resistance for Bank Nifty future, that 22,700. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 22,489 and 22,600. There have a major support for Bank Nifty future, that 21,500. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 21,965 and 21,750. As per my exploration, there are some volatile stocks for intraday trading with range with midpoint. So what is the range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustains above midpoint and increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustains below midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for reversal support with resistance as midpoint. Demand, that LTP is 2131. Its upper range is 2170. So if it sustain above its midpoint, that 2118 with increases volume, then it will try for 2170. If it breaks 2118 with increases volume, then maybe it reverts from lower range, that 2100. Same as every stocks have upper range and lower range with a midpoint. You can note down every stock's range and midpoint with LTP for intraday trading only. Demand, that LTP is 2131. GSPL, that LTP is 216. Hindustan Unilever, that LTP is 2210. Syngene, that LTP is 492. Ramco Cement, that LTP is 698. HDFC, that LTP is 1826. IRCTC, that LTP is 1372. BPCL, that LTP is 429. HDFC Bank, that LTP is 1066. LIC Housing Finance, that LTP is 267. You can note down every range and midpoint. You can mail me on my mail ID, that trade.mathematics@gmail.com, or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given below in my video description.